Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can block websites on your Android device. So you want to block few websites on an Android device because you didn't like the content or there's some other reason for it, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to block a website on an Android device. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. To block a website on an Android device, you'll need to download a simple application called AppBlock. So to download that application, go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, search for AppBlock, and then you'll see an application like this. Tap on the install button to download and install the AppBlock application. Wait for the installation process. It depends on the internet speed. Once the installation process is complete, tap on the open button to open the AppBlock application. Once you open the AppBlock application, you'll need to set it up. So tap on get started. Then you'll need to answer some simple questions. So go ahead and answer these questions accordingly. Once you answer all the questions, AppBlock will ask you for the user's access permission. So go ahead and tap on go to settings button. Then tap on AppBlock, then allow the permission. Once you do that, AppBlock will start its analysis. Once the analysis is completed, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll need to select how we will use the AppBlock. So there is two options. One is to keep things simple, just turn on and off blocking. Then one is the profile based, where you can set up the time, place and many other things when to block the website. So choose according to your need. If you want it simple, just tap on try quick block. If you want it more in detail, then click on create blocking profiles. So I'll suggest you to use the quick block because it's more simple and easy to use. So once you choose the quick block option, you land in an interface like this. Here to add the website, what you want to do is tap on the add button. Once you tap on the add button, go to webs, then enter the website URL you want to block. Suppose I want to block Instagram, then I'll tap instagram.com, then I'll save it. Once I save it, instagram.com will be blocked from my Android device. So that was the simple step in order to block a website on an Android device. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.